Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make a beautiful garden. First, select plants that thrive in your local climate and soil. A well-planned layout enhances visual appeal and ensures functionality. Remember to mix various textures, colors, and heights to create dynamic interest. Providing adequate sunlight and water is fundamental for healthy, vibrant plants. These initial steps lay the groundwork for a truly stunning outdoor space. Healthy soil is the foundation of a beautiful garden. Begin by testing your soil to determine its composition and pH. Enrich it with organic matter like compost to boost fertility and drainage. When choosing plants, select varieties that complement each other in terms of growth habits and environmental needs. Incorporating native plants can also simplify maintenance and support local ecosystems, leading to a more resilient and beautiful garden. Thoughtful design and consistent care are key to lasting beauty. Group plants with similar water and light needs to optimize resources. Introduce focal points, such as a striking plant or a decorative element, to draw the eye. Regular pruning encourages vigorous new growth and helps maintain desired plant shapes. Applying a 2 to 4 inch layer of mulch retains soil moisture and effectively suppresses weeds, reducing maintenance efforts. To truly elevate your garden's beauty, consider adding diverse elements. Hardscaping, such as charming pathways or comfortable benches, defines spaces and adds structure. Containers offer versatile pops of color and allow for easy plant rearrangement. Attracting pollinators with a variety of flowering plants brings delightful activity and supports biodiversity. Thoughtful lighting can extend your garden's enjoyment into the evening, creating a magical ambience after sunset.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.